This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Albaneses' green madness. Now, Albanese, now he's back in the country after 90 flights, pouring out emissions to look good on the world stage when all of us just want to be Australians in Australia, with prices going through the roof and we grow the produce here. This bloke is determined to go down this renewables, which are not renewable energy path. And so many of yous out there voted these idiots in, the Greens, the Zali Steggles, the Teals. And Albanese and Bowen are going to push this and have pushed it through today with Adam Bant, the biggest lunatic we've ever had. And no one is listening, and mainstream media is not pointing out that the Greens are in power in Germany, have been for a couple of years. And they went down this path, almost bankrupting Germany, and because everyone's had to make the decision of whether they heat or eat, and they're choosing eat, the Greens in Germany revoked all those laws this week and are desperately trying to get all their coal-fired power stations back up so they can run the country properly. It's gone skew-if in South Australia with the giant battery. It's gone skew-if in Sri Lanka, Texas, California, and everyone's starting to repeal and regret the fact that they went down this road. And yet here we have this idiot running our country who could tell them to stick the Paris Agreement and be actually a world leader and be a first instead of going down this road to destruction. And everyone, and I mean everyone, I have not talked to anyone bar a bloody politician who doesn't give a shit about this stuff, and look up the Google searches and read Ian Plimer's Green Murder and get the facts if you disagree, instead of putting up the hand and refusing to talk. But he's insisting on going down this road and treats us all with absolute disrespect because none of us want it. And on top of that, his only other issue is a black voice in power, to have a referendum that you will not know what's contained in it. You'll just get the choice to vote yes or no. And wonderful people like Jacinta Price and Warren Mundine and others have come out and said there's 11 voices already in Parliament. So there's Albanese's racism, because he just said, I don't care, and he's going ahead with it. Not only that, he's overturned the cashless debit card, which most of the elders in those communities, and if you don't think it's happening, go out there and have a fucking look. And he's repealed that so that the grog and the violence, this has got to stop, Australia. You may well shake your head, you left-wing idiots, but this has got to stop. This bloke is on a one-way trip to the destruction of our beautiful country that used to be called the lucky country. And now our new anthem should be Advance Australia Backwards. You fucking idiots. This is Harry Vocal.